In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your ChatGPT profile name or even username. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. As you can see, this is my current profile name on my ChatGPT account, and I wish to make some changes on it. To do this, click on your account once you're logged in and then go to profile. Now under profile, you will see your display name and also your username. You can make changes to this by editing this. So I'll just change this to AI Labs, and then the username, I'll leave it as it is. You have to note that your profile helps people recognize you in group chats. So if you make these changes, you have to note that it will affect how you appear or the name that will appear in your group chats. To save the changes, now click on save, and here your name will automatically change. As you can see, now I have a new name. So that's how you can change your profile name on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.